Hey everybody, Merry Christmas, welcome back to Go Be Trading. This is Jose. If this is the first time to join us, thank you so much for doing so. What I'm going to try to do today, as always, break down some charts, see if we can find good opportunities in the market for this week. Today we're going to do a little bit chill, nothing fancy because the markets are pretty slow. Not a lot of people trading because it's December, it's Christmas, everybody is celebrating and eating a lot of goodies and taking some time with their families. So there are not a lot of opportunities in the market. However, I find a pretty nice structure on the EURUSD on the 4-hour chart and the hourly chart. So let's get into it right away. Let's look at this. This is the EURUSD at the 4-hour chart. Okay, we are right here now, but let's make some analysis to this price. As you can see, guys, the market for a lot of time we're bearish all the way from up here to down here. Now let's take this level as our initial starting point, like taking my line tool from right down here to up here, making a new structure high relative to these highs, making an outside return, boom, right here, right out structure, looking left, structure leads clues, boom, look at this, boom, right, previous resistance now becomes support, the market, boom, break above, close above, make a new structure high, make an outside return, looking left, structure leads clues once again, boom, the market comes up again, and now we are here, right? So looking at this, guys, and looking at this from a continuation trading perspective, we can look for opportunity to go long in this place because the market just make a shift in the trend. Look at this for initial starting point, new structure high, outside return, new structure high. This is a bullish move. Before we were bearish all this time, but now the market is telling me that we are bullish. So if I'm a continuation trader and the market is bullish, I want to be bullish. So looking at this, let's take a look of how can I get into this trade. Looking at this, the market just retest this previous resistance now is support, and the market is retracing, looking at this level once again, right? If I want to, I can wait for the market to go to this level once again and look for an opportunity to get long. And for example, for me, my stop should be right down this level because this is already on its structure right here. I'm not supposed to put it down here. If the market just was right here, I have to wait to the market to go here for confirmation or take it right up here, but my stop has to be right down here, sorry, and my risk is going to be something like this, and my reward, looking left for a structure to consider, let's see, maybe here between this level and this level, my reward was going to be something like this, almost 1-1, a little bit more than 1-1. Okay. However, the market touched this level, it just moved north, and it's coming back to this same level, and it made me a structure right down here. So my stop doesn't have to be down here. Let's put this in red for show that it's on a stop. My stop is not supposed to be down here. I can put it right here, right down here, and the market just break this structure, and I'm wrong. So I can wait till the market to go down here, but I can put my stop right here because I have already on the structure right here. So, and looking for the same targets, making a consideration for this structure right down here, because as you can see, this is a previous support level. Now should become resistant, and the market probably is gonna do something if it comes right up here. I can put my target right before it, or if you are those guys that want to squeeze every single penny of the market, you can take a look for the market to go to those wicks right here. And if I take into consideration this structure right here, this is gonna be my possible risk. Let's put this on red because it's risk. Okay, and this is supposed to be my reward. Okay, got one thing in consideration is that this target is based just on structure, looking in a trend continuation perspective. If you can see this is a pretty nice risk reward ratio, and looking at this pointed right here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 3, 1 to 5 and 5 and 3/4 of reward. This is a pretty nice risk reward. This is one of the best risk reward I've ever seen, because in order to, in a long-term period, taking this trade over and over and over again, talking about 5.5 to 1, you have to take this trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you take this trade, okay, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and you just in those 6, just one becomes a winner, you're still even. But if you take this trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 times, and you hit this trade just one time, you're still on profit. Sorry, I said 6 before. It's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You take this trade 7, you're still even. And you hit 1, you're still even. But if you take this trade 6 times and you hit the target just one time, you're still on profit. This is really good. That means you are in a position that you can be wrong 5 times. If you hit the target the time number 6, you're still on profit. That's pretty good. Now this is in a continuation traded perspective. Now let's look for a lower time frame. Let's look to the hourly chart and see what we can find there. Let's give me a minute to delete all this and go to the hourly chart. Okay, here we are. Oh, that was pretty fast. Here we are. As always, let's read the price action. Taking from this point, boom, we got a new structural low, outside return, new structural low. Boom, we got a new structure high. We got a change in the trend. We got an outside return. Boom, we don't have a lower low or lower close, and the market just going down here. Right here we are. So what I can see here it is, looking at this, guys, we are in the same place as before. The market should go to this level to retest, And as you can see, guys, the market just go down here, touch this level, retrace, boom, second touch, third touch, number 4, 5, 6. The market just hit this level 6 times, and you can see in the wick that the buyers, boom, just get into the market right at this point. And this is a really significant level, because as you can see, boom, the market just hit this level. The market just suck it back, hit it again, suck back, boom, break that level. That was a false breakout, boom, hit it again, retrace, boom, hit it again, and boom, the market just go down and just break this level that was a resistance, now is support, and we expect to go to still there, this support. What I have in mind is, if the market goes right down here, look at an opportunity to go long. But in this case, in this time frame, I want to go on a counter trading perspective, and not looking the targets right over here. I'm gonna take a look targets right at this zone. If I take this trade, if the market gave me a signal that is gonna go long, like at this level, like a doji candle or RSI oversold condition, I can take this trade right here. My stop should be right down here, because as you can see, there is a strong signal that there is an important level, because the market touched the price touched this level here, and 6 times here. I want to get involved right here for go long, because as you can see, the market is telling me, dude, something's happening at this level. So I want to get long in this level. Stop should be right down this wicks right down here, making sure that you don't want to put your stop in a break-even number, because that is a psychological level, and people want to buy at this level, but want to get involved in the markets at these levels. So if I look at this and I want to take the target at this zone, and if I want to be pretty conservative on my target, I want to place my target here. I got this. This is gonna be my reward. Let's put this on red. All right, and this is gonna be my reward. Okay. Sorry. Let me adjust this a little bit here and here. Okay, let's change this color in blue for profit. Green for profit or money. Boom, right here. So if I take this, I got 1, 2, 3, almost a little bit more, 3 risk reward. 1-to-3 risk reward ratio. That means, guys, if I take this trade 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and one of those 4 times I hit that target right here and even, and if I take this trade 1, 2, 3 times, and one of those times I hit this target right up here, I'm in profit. That's really good. I just have to be right 2 to 3 times on this kind of trade to be on profit. Okay, so you can see, guys, I'm looking for go right here in the market. Being in the market should make a how can I say in English? He probably reacts at this level. I don't gonna say that he's going to react, because I don't know what the market is gonna do, but normally it do it. And I don't know if the market is gonna be on this channel for a long period of time, or the market is gonna go down here. But the market is showing that something is gonna happen, and probably gonna happen if we go down here looking for get long, and being one step forward on this price action. If the market goes down here and goes up here, I'm gonna take a look for a short opportunity looking back here and take a lot more profit of this price move. So that's all for today, guys. Pretty easy, nothing fancy. A couple trades just looking at price action. So there you go, guys. Hey, remember, if this not match your rules, please do not take those trades, because I'm gonna feel bad about it. Always follow your rules. And as always, guys, thank you so much for being here once again. Hey, please share, like, subscribe this video, destroy that subscribe button, this like button, share it with every single of your friends, so this community can grow up and I can give you more educational content. And guys, please check my website, gobitrading.weebly.com. This is a nice educational trading website with a lot of content. Hold on one second. With a lot of content, and you can subscribe to my website completely free, and you're gonna have a more educational content richer than this one, with more specific subjects about trading. And if you want to go to the next level, you can get into our program. There is a 12-week transformation program and the advanced pattern course like that shows everything you need to know about the cipher, the bat pattern, the butterfly, the Gartley 222 pattern. And please, guys, take it. You're not gonna be disappointed. As always, guys, thank you so much for being here. Double check your stops and targets, and see you the other side. Love you guys.